Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hello guys, this is Jack and Rose, the Budgie lovers, Titanic lovers. See, you want to say hi? Hi, Jack and Rose. How are you doing today? Hi, Jack and Rose. My Jack and Rose is so cute. See? And they love to be like filming. Because say they are a famous. And you are a famous bird. Yes? Jack and Rose, the lovely birds. Ooh, Jack and Rose, the lovely birds. Yes, you are. Yeah, Jack and Rose, the lovely birds. The cute bird. Hi, Jack. Jack, can you open your mouth, Jack? Huh? What's that in your mouth? Why did it is color white? Did you do a toothbrush? How about you, Rose? You are cute, Rose. You sleepy? Rose and Jack. Hi, my cute, lovely birds. Yes, you are. You are lovely birds. This is my Budgie lovers. Hi. You want to say hi to everybody? Hello, everybody. Everybody. Yeah, this is Rose and Jack. Hi, the cutest bird on earth. Hi. Hi, my cute lovebirds. Yes, you are. Did you eat your food? My cute lovebirds? Huh? Why you look like you froze? What's wrong? Hmm? You look like frozen like a popsicle. You know popsicle is like frozen popsicle. Do you want a popsicle? Who wants a popsicle? Baskin Robin? Who wants Baskin Robin? Oh, my cute baby bird. Cute bird. Cute baby bird. Cute baby bird. What a cute bird. Cute bird. Oh, my cute baby bird on earth. Yes, you are. You are the cutest bird on earth. Do you know that? Hi, Rose. This is Rose, the pretty bird, and this is Jack. Oh, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Oh, kiss, kiss. Oh. Kiss, kiss. Oh, Jack, I think Jack need to take a bath. And Rose. Hey, my cutest bird. Yes, you are. This is my cutest bird on earth, the lovely birds. Yes. This is the cutest bird. No! What are you doing, Jack? Jack, are you mad at Rose? No, Rose is cute. Cute Rose. Are you alright, Jack? You sleepy? Oy, cutest bird on earth. Oy. Jack. Jack, come back. Come back. Oy, look at that. What lovely birds. Yes, you are lovely birds. Which is the cutest, Jack or Rose? Oh, Rose. Eh? Which is the cutest, Jack or Rose? No, you are both cuties. Cutest bird on earth. Yes, you are. Oy. Hi, Jack and Rose. Oy. Smile. Open your mouth, Rose. Can you open your mouth? How about you? How about you? Oy. Cutest bird on earth. You want to say bye-bye? You want to say bye-bye or not yet? Huh? Okay, not yet. Oh, my cutest bird on earth. Ay, cute. What's wrong to you, Rose? Is your leg is broken? Because Jack is fighting to you. Huh? Let me see your legs. No, your leg is not broken. No, your leg is okay. You just pretend not to be okay, but you're okay. Yes, you are. Okay, you want to say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye, Rose and Jack? Thanks for watching. See you next time.